The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
Hello and welcome to Diske TV. My name is Nkululeko Kunkeo. I'm with Khawukhelo Sebata and Ubongani Mnisi, aka Ubobo. We were here less than 12 hours ago. We're here again. Mamelodi Sundowns defeated Esperance de Tunis, doing something that was unthinkable. I looked at the records of Esperance de Tunis. They have not lost at home this season. In fact, when teams travel there, they don't score. Sundowns in the quarterfinals last year went to Esperance and they did not score. It's very difficult to score an away goal there. Brian Leon did the unthinkable and he scored a goal. On top of that, Mamelodi Sundowns and the defenders plus 10 men kept a clean sheet. We'll talk about that, revisit the game with Ubobo. Later on, we'll ask, have Orlando Pirates dropped the league title? They dropped points against Richards Bay in Mhlatuze Sports Council. Does that mean Orlando Pirates have now place themselves out of the reckoning for the title? Please make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment. Please make sure you comment agreeing or disagreeing. We like all of those points of views. Please make sure that you like as well. We like that too. Please make sure that you are subscribed as well. We also like that too. Bobzi, thank you very much for joining us. How are you, sir?
Good, Mr. Thank you. Tingibulise no Khawukhelo.
Yes, sir. How many hours of sleep did you get?
Mr. Thank you. Ngilala ama-hour amancane man. Not even 8 hours. 6 hours ngeke ube sewuvukile manje ish. Akukho lula. Yabona namehlo kwangathi umuntu ovakashela ezinye indawo kaDanix.
I was counting my hours. I think it was exactly 6 hours.
Yeah.
I slept at 1 a.m. I was up by 6:30.
Yeah.
But we're here for the people and the content. Yesterday, of course, you did your video talking about the game, analyzing the game. You've slept on it. We wake up this morning. How are you feeling about the game? And even maybe the idea that you went there, and you get the away goal. How are you feeling about even being able to do that?
Yeah, Mr. Thank you. It was a tough match. Ngicabanga ukuthi ama results esiwatholile. Bekungasa ama results ocabanga ukuthi you are 100% sure ukuthi Sundowns ngabuya ne win kuleya country, I understand, because mawungabheka the way iEsperance njengoba uceda ukusho ukuthi irecord la leEsperance limenjani ekhaya kuba nzima mina bengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe iSundowns ingayidraw le game mhlambe ngabo 1-1 or if idraw ile 2-2 so that izoba neadvantage maybe ekhaya, but they go all out amajita. I think basebenze kakhulu Mr. Nkeo mawungabheka the way babonise ngakhona it was a high profile game leya Mr. Nkeo, so idinga leyo character kubadlali ukuthi yini into esiyidingayo, because uma ungabheka abadlali abaningi they've been there ku CAF Champions League, ba understand ukuthi yini ekumele bayoyenza ku CAF Champions League, because psychologically uyabona ukuthi ba ready amajita kusho kona ukuthi ama preparation wabo from ku management, technical team, the players, everyone is ready ukuthi no guys, let's go there and fight. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi they fought amajita up until baphuma nale win Mr. Nkeo.
Yeah. Matured performance, because many points in that game you had to defend. Sometimes a game sifuna ukubona framework ye Sundowns or any opposition, whether it's Chiefs or Pirates or Orbit College, sifuna ukubona ukuthi lamajita ase midfield awu 3 enzani. Lamajita ama winger, which was supposed to be Sales, but Sales was roaming around. Tapelo Morena, like, okay, on the right, nenzani. There was a stretch in that game in the first half where we couldn't see going forward ukuthi benzani. We can see ukuthi okay, maya phambili izohamba ngomurena maka if is available, but primarily he was defending. Nama midfielders wakho, yes, uRonza makayiqala build up, you could see okay they're trying, but to be able to dominate a game bekungekho. And I even said in my video that look, sometimes the game asks you to do that. Ukuthi defend oqala, and then if we have a moment to attack, at least we can still hold our positions. Were you aware of that? Ukuthi Sundowns, it was not going to be the Sundowns, the shoeshine, your dominator, but if you have to defend, you have to defend.
Mr. Nkeo, being aware ngalokho, because uma ungabheka into yokuqala abayenzile is to understand the competition oyidlalayo. Number one, after you understand the competition, then approach yakho kuleya match, you analyze the opponent ukuthi opponent idlala kanjani uma idlala ama game afana nalawo. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Sundowns be understand lokho ukuthi akunasidingo sokuthi we must dominate nge ball position, sifuna ukuthi i-Esperance si-dominate mhlawumbe from emuva kuwonke ama-department because this is a CAF Champions League. Into abayenzile kuphela ukuthi okay, let's absorb the pressure. But uma sithola i-chance ukuthi siyaphuma, asikwazi ukuthi siphuma kanjani because now Sundowns uma ungabheka iyakwazi ukubreaka i-team mhlawumbe kuma-pockets ibuya in the middle of the park. Now they can break i-defense wide. They can break i-defense mhlawumbe ngokudlala amabhola behind the defense because they've got ama-options. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ba-understand lento le Mr. Nkeu because i-understanding yale tournament ibaleke kakhulu. Ngakutshela na last ngithi bekumele ngabe last season sadlala ifinali singama team wase South Africa, but uma ungabheka the understanding yabadlali be Orlando Pirates kule CAF Champions League abazange ba understand ukuthi kumele sidlale kanjani because they've got the advantage ukuthi they can win their game ukudlala ama final. So Sundowns now ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukuphuma kwabo kulandelana la kuboma quarter finals, semi finals, finals kuningi abakufundile ukuthi guys now into ekumele siyenze ukuthi si understand. Coach Cardoso ngiyacabanga ukuthi ulethe something different Mr. Nkeu kule team. Hambe yobheka kunabadlali ocabanga ukuthi bongacabanga ukuthi bangabaletha, but ukuletha umrena kule team uhambe naye, kulanda uObas uhambe naye to bring uCupido kule center back, knowing very well ukuthi uNdamane physical akekho strong ukuthi angalanda lamajita mhlawumbe pound for pound, but waletha abadlali acabanga ukuthi no, this guy bazongisebenzela because amajita azongigurasha. The striker sabo ubheke nalomjita which is number 10 abadlali abayingozi uma ngabe ubazi ku Esperance.
He's a Brazilian.
We understand. So he understood good guys. Let me go there nabadlali understand ukuthi they are going to win a game lena. So in the absence of Aubrey, uyabona ukuthi ulethu Pasading uyazi ukuthi unolunga. Should anything happen engeke mhlawumbe bengade si expect sinama option ukuthi we can bring noma ngana game time but singamletha. So ngiyacabanga Mr. Nkeu ukuthi understand yonke lento ne technical team yabo ukuthi let's deal ngalento ngalendlela, and ubheke now when they come back kule weekend bazo change
different approach.
You understand the approach is change because now you need dominate i-Esperance nge-ball position. So ukwazi ukuthi we can attack i-Esperance and get i-goal. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-technical team e-Sundowns understand lokho.
Yeah, I think the other thing as well, Bobs, that's maybe underrated, we did not mention it last night, is, and of course we were pressed for time really last night. There was a question between Reyners and Brian Leon. That question is always, if you look at Sundowns in the last month, last 30 days, these guys are interchanging their position. The other one plays and the other one doesn't play. When I watched them against Durban City, I said, Badlala Brian Leon because bafuna ukuresto Reyners for this game. And little did I know that they're going to trust Brian Leon to say, no, continue, Kubega. You hit the post against Durban City, you didn't score, but Kubega Sotemba win. And if Reyners goes in there, he'll do the same job as well. That's a huge advantage to have two very good strikers who score goals. If the other one is not there, the other one can do the same job.
Yeah, both of them, Mr. Nkeu, they can score goals. But uma ungabheka kunalaba hluka khona kancane uReyners no Brian. Uma ungabheka uBrian le energy anayo. uReyners une speed, but the energy uBrian anayo yokuchase i-defend ukuthi ligcine release ibhola. I think ilento emenza ukuthi nako afese ngayo, and also nalento ukuthi uma ngabe ufuna ukuthi sidlale ngale striker sokuthi sizo defender in numbers, then sikwazi bese let the ball, that guy nge-physical, he can protect the ball so that bakwazi ukumjoyina. So if you funa i-team njengamanje uma siza la ekhaya ne-Esperance, I think uReyners will start because uzoyibheka lento ukuthi okay now bazoza all out, bafuna ukuthi bazo-attack because bafuna i-goal. Then yila sizosebenzisa abadlali abafana nabo Reyners ukudlala behind the defense lama third man run, and also if abo Santos uyoba khona yila uzomdinga khona uSantos ukwazi ukuthi ngalama long ball Mr. Nkeu ngalama
It's precision passes.
You understand that
It's a longer pass,
exactly,
but it's pinpoint.
Behind the defense uReyners will punish them because yazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukurana. But when it comes to Leon Mr. Nkeu ngihlala ngitshela ukwazi ukuranela konke we attacker if pole we attacker last pole we attacker, so dangerous lo mdlalo between the two center back, he's dangerous ngama tap in. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi yilento mhlawumbe coach asuka ready opponent okay now approach le game ngomdlalo kanje. I expect uReyners ukuthi manje eze azoyenza lokho. Ubonile naizolo bekathi uyamletha before sithola le red card, but bekafunani beyazi ukuthi manje bafuna ukukhuphuka ba equalize, then ngathola i second goal, but wabona ukuthi konje manje sesine red card akusana sidingo sokuthi ngalethe attack, but ngamiyeka umdlalo ofana noLeon for le energy anayo so that he can chase up front, Mr. Nkewu.
Let's talk about VAR. It saved you yesterday.
Yeah.
It was a huge mistake by Ronald Williams.
Yeah.
Of course, if you pause that moment, yes, Bamshaya elbow, so that he deserves Uguti to overturn that goal.
Yeah.
But it was a mistake for him to commit and not get to the ball. Fortunately for him, there's VAR.
Mr. Nkewu, you know, le ball the way traveling ngakhona. Sometimes uma ngabe kune defender, okay, le yo computer real. Uyabheka ukuthi mina uma ngiyofika lapha ngizofika kuqala ebholeni okanjani. But mawubona ngathi labantu bazofayithela la ball, sometimes uyama. And mawuphuma amanye amabhola akunasidingo sokwabamba because abanye bazoyeka abo referee ku VAR kanje.
Yeah.
Then i-team equalize. Fista le ball Mr. Nkewu, lahli direction. Because angisho uyabona ukuthi akwazi ukufika.
Uyophazamisa.
Fista le lapho liphanje liphumele ngaphandle then sibuye sizomaka. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ama mistake engicabanga ukuthi ayalungiseka ama mistake afana nalawa but singamkhohlwa lento ayenzile.
Yeah, in the
Nkewu,
first half,
because-
it was fantastic.
Yeah,
it was fantastic save in the first half.
because ekugcineni uma sibheka lama mikazothi no sibheka lama mistake asibheki la yenze kahle but le ball okhuluma ngalo ngiyacabanga mesikembe kumele lenze kangcono uRonwen lapha because amanye ama chances afana nalawo ama team uma ureferee anga decide ukuthi no iVAR ngiyayiphikisa ngithi mina no ligoli ekugcineni sikhala ngani.
Yeah, and I did say when we were waiting for that moment that the lucky part will be if they call him to go and see
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Because if they call him to go and see it, angeke athi akaboni. You can see that there's an elbow there on the face of Ronwen.
Yeah, no, uyichazile Mr. Nkewu lento leyo ukuthi once vele bazoya ureferee uzoldisallow lela goal because khona isandla esikhona lapha. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi abo Rons izinto esifana nalezi basibhekile Mr. Nkewu. Alungiseka ama mistake afana
Generally
nalawa.
speaking, though, were you happy with the officiating? I mean, you even said in the video we saw so.
Yeah.
So was so was so pissed off. He was like,
Yo,
he wanted everything to be on Sundown's favor. It's like,
Yeah,
you are cheating,
yeah,
referee.
yeah.
So even us, of course, it's a South African team. We were in support of Sundowns. But were you happy with the officiating, or you kind of expect to some of the things, you know, they will not go your way? Nabo red card, none.
Yeah, I think Leah red card Mr. Nkewu even though angayanga ku VAR but uma ngathi uyabheka it's a dangerous play ukudlala ebusweni bomunye umdlali.
Yeah.
So kunezinye izinto uma ngathi uyasibheka okay kunama decision engicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe bekakude referee njengama foul ukuthi mhlawumbe I think ngibone angazi umrena or ubani la khona bamshaya ngemuva wangajudge. But njengabadlali beSundowns I think lesa simo bas understand Mr. Nkewu. So thina singawabona amanye ama mistake referee sicabanga ukuthi no bekuma mistake but most of our referees engibabonile sometimes ba control ukuthi i-team isuka idlalela kuphi. I-crowd yalabantu sometimes Mr. Nkewu banokumenza ureferee ajudge under pressure uma ungabheka the way ngazi CAF Champions League ingakhona because kunamanye amabhola uyacabanga ukuthi ureferee kumele awajudge but angawajudge because bona they can do that bangakwazi ukuthi bangashouta. So ngibona amanye amabhola especially ama foul anobanikeza amanye ama foul ngicabanga ukuthi bekungasese ama foul after Sundowns leading by 1-0 bengicabanga kanjalo but uzawuthini Mr. Nkewu ngendlela abo referee ku CAF Champions League bajudge ngakhona and ungabheka kunalento ukuthi uma ungaba soft too much abakujudge lawo ma foul they want you ukuthi
have to stand up for yourself.
yeah kahle kahle uyabona so ngibonile nawanye ama foul ukuthi kunalawo uma uba soft khona bakuyeka but amajita fightile understandile ukuthi no last thing ukuthi siphume ne win Mr. Nkewu.
Yeah, let's wrap it up with the Sundowns. I'm sure there's a temptation. You see, this away goal, I felt it's so important. And Lamachi done a limitation. Adlalang and Tlizio,
Yeah.
Esperance. It's similar to Al Ahly. It's not an emphasis on skill. You could see when they were chasing the equalizing goal, by Fona and Tlizio Shem. It's not an emphasis on skill. By Fona, a set piece, they're going to push you all the way. So there's a skills gap which favors the Sundowns because we know Sundowns has skill. They can rotate the ball, they can dominate the ball. When the situation asks them to, they can do that. There's a temptation amongst some Sundawana to think maybe it's gone or it's done and dusted because you've won the first leg. But I want you to remind the fans, Uguti, there's still a second leg to play here and that the club needs to be professional in that second leg.
Mr. Nkewu, abantu abaningi ngiya-understand ukuthi bangacabanga ukuthi because uwini away Mr. Nkewu njengoba ukwazile wena ukufika ushaya Esperance 1-0 yini ekungabahlula ayiqali Esperance iyashaya home and away ngama 1-0 so into engakutshela yona ukuthi iqembu leMamelodi Sundowns ngiyacabanga liyo treata leya game Mr. Nkewu ngendlela right they understand ukuthi igoli kuMamelodi Sundowns before Esperance libaleke kakhulu. Allowing Esperance to score first, uyoba under pressure because you know ukuthi if they can score a goal, it's a 2-1. Mina ngiphumile CAF Champions League nge-away goal. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi but they will fight Mr Nkewu. uKhadoso into engichaza ngayo ukuthi we understand Mr Nkewu ukuthi ngidlala bapha abadlali ngasiphi isikhathi kuyiphi game. Into ebalekile. So lokho ngicabanga ukuthi as long as the technical team I understand lokho Mr Nkewu kuyoba lula for iMamelodi Sundowns because angeke undermine leya team. He understand ukuthi now kumele ukuthi ngiyo approach leya game kanjani because u expect Esperance ukuthi easy zom attack and naye ngiyacabanga unazi impendulo Mr Nkewu because equality unayo yonke ebenchini uKhadoso. So let's wait and see Mr Nkewu. Hopefully they will treat leya game ngendlela right. So into kumele ukuthi amasandawana yenze kuphela is to buy amathikiti and go to the stadium in numbers and support the team njengoba sibonile ukuthi iEsperance bebayisupport kanjani eTunisia.
100%. Thank you very much, Bob Zid. That's Mamelodi Sundowns. They're playing this Saturday. We'll be watching that game in particular at 3 p.m. All of us, because it's a very important fixture. At the same time, of course, Pirates will be playing in the Betway Premiership, I think, against Amazulu. But we'll keep an eye only on the Sundowns game. It's the second leg of the semi-final. We'll, of course, take our eyes back to the Betway Premiership after that game. Betway Premiership continues. It's not the final game that Pirates is playing. So we'll be back in the Betway Premiership when the time is right. Betway Premiership. Umhlatuze Sports Council, Richards Bay were 4 minutes away from beating Orlando Pirates. Pirates dropping points. It was a tough one for people like myself, who, you know, willing Orlando Pirates to say, yo, take this title race until the end. I felt personally that if you're going to drop points there, after that game, I felt if you drop points against Richards Bay, I 100% guarantee you're going to drop it against other teams as well. For Pirates, they were asking their team to look at each game as a cup final. Don't lose any further games and then pray that Sundowns drop points. Sundowns will drop one or two matches. They will drop points with the 6 or 7 remaining games. That's natural in football. But it also means that Orlando Pirates, seeing what happened at Richards Bay, are definitely, because we cannot wish here, this is not a fantasy. If Pirates dropped points against Richards Bay, they are going to drop points against other teams. They still have to play Chiefs, Stellenbosch. So Sundowns will drop 1 or 2 points in 1 or 2 matches. It's going to happen the same with Orlando Pirates. And that's why there's a feeling amongst some of us to say maybe that was the end. But my brother Obobo said the league is still on. Let's revisit Friday. In your video, you said still the title chase is on. And when you were reasoning about it, you were saying Sundowns is still going to drop points. They're traveling to Africa playing Champions League, so that might play a factor as well. But my counter to what you're saying is that I also think Pirates will drop points.
Yeah, Mr. Nkewu, nothing will change my mind. This is football. Anything can happen. So if ungabheka the way iBetway ngakhona kulama team, especially to Sundowns and Orlando Pirates, it's not easy now. Each and every game abayidlala it's a final. Bheka the way ba approach ngakhona lama game. Mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi for a team efana neOrlando Pirates, they must understand kwamanye ama game ukuthi ngiapproach kanjani. You can't approach wonke ama game ngendlela efanayo. Bese ukubona ngabo Barcelona ukuthi they can approach wonke ama game le yabo Xavi nabo Iniesta ngendlela efanayo. We understand. But now you must also read the opponent. And enye into engibone ngathi idisturb iOrlando Pirates hilento ukuthi kuye kwafika la khona iMamelodi Sundowns ihlale phezulu ngegoal different kulokho. I think kuye kwayilimaza even i-technical team iOrlando Pirates and the fan base iOrlando Pirates. If use stadium ubukela leya game, you can see ukuthi abafuna uChina adelay namaball. They want more goals. And lento le if uzoyithatha uyinikeza abadlali on the field, ikunikeza iproblem because there's no time esenkela ukuthi you must always rush ufuna ukuscore more goals. Sometimes manage your team. Coach Wadu kunabadlali ngicabanga ukuthi njengamanje ngimuzwe ngathi ukhala ngokukhathala kwabadlali fatigue. Kunabadlali Mr Nkewu, if you score 3-4 goals, take them out, put another player so that bakwazi ukuthi bashare lama minutes because next game bakunikeze irun right like njengoba boTebza babona abantu ukuthi bangadlala amanye ama game. When you need to Tebza ku CAF Champions League, he will give you 10 out of 10. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi abadlali abafana nabo Apolis abo really if you ukora amagoli awu4,
if you already scored 3
Mr Nkewu, let abanye abadlali abomsendame badlale because we totally 3 points into balekile because uma uzothi wena ufuna ukuscore more goals because of ufuna ukuwina le league it might happen ifike la izoba ne goal different ukuthi uthathe league, but into ebalekile ama point because we will end up losing ama point uchase ama goal. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi he must try to manage laba badlali bakhe ukuthi bangakhathali, because phela ungabheka speed Orlando Pirates Mr. bewidlala ngakhona labadlali abansema robot ukuthi bona bazorana 90 minutes yonke, the next game 90 minutes, and bheka manje badlali in a short space of I think 3 days bahamba bayodlala, and into mangithi ngiyabheka bebangayijwayele labo badlali beOrlando Pirates because they can play after 2 games 2 days 3 days 2 days 3 days bebanokuthi badonse mhlawumbe badlale weekend baphinde badlale weekend. So iOrlando Pirates kumele ukuthi izame uku-adjust lapho if ifuna ukuthi iwine leya Betway Mr. Gill, because the race is still on. Lokho ngisakusho, the race is still on because Sundowns isafuna kudlala ama game wide, but the problem now ukuthi iOrlando Pirates kumele yenze wawo umsebenzi by winning ama goals. Kumele ithembele abanye abantu to beat Sundowns. Into esele ku Sundowns ukuthini, let's wrap le 7 games esele then siwinile Betway, but for Orlando Pirates kumele ukuthi mabathembela kwamanye ama team ukuthi adrope iSundowns drop ama point kuwo nabo basanomsebenzi ukuthi kumele bawenze.
That was my logic as well, but you couldn't have summarized it better. It's that which is a wish as well, is that if you can just beat the ones that you are facing, if you have 6 matches, win those 6 matches, and then you can only live on the hope that Sundowns can drop. But the way I see it, logically, I'm trying to be reasonable as possible.
Yes, Mr.
I think in 7 matches, Sundowns can draw 2 of them or lose on 1.
Yeah.
That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Sundowns are doing really well. They're winning almost all the games. So in 7 matches, you can expect them to win 5. They can draw 1 or 2, or draw 1, lose 1. My concern is that the assumption on the other side is that Pirates are not going to beat all of the teams that are remaining, and that's a concern. And I think exactly how you captures this is that the rotation of the players, the making Sipho Mbule ready so that when you need him, he's ready. Even Umasangani, giving him enough minutes so that when you need him, he's ready. The managing of that squad, even as you mentioned about Daniel Msendami, if you give them enough minutes so that when you need them, they are ready. Because now there's an over-reliance on a few players, and I think that's a beautiful capturing. And then there's the other thing, which is earlier in the video we spoke about 2 strikers of Sundowns who can do the same job. If the other one is doing it, the other one is tired or not doing it, the other one will do it. Brian Leon, Ikram Reynas. The other problem with Orlando Pirates is that, and I saw it when they substituted Umbutuma, Bafakuma Khopa. I'm like, they think that when they solve the problem, Umbutuma Yongankor, Bazo is solving Mahopa. Those players are practically very the same in terms of a limitation. Of course, they're good professional players, but they are not strikers who score 20 goals per season. That's the other problem.
And Mr. usa mention le ndaba ya kaMakhopa no Mbutuma. Uma ungabheka ubuya abengcono Mbutuma because utholakala eboxini. La khona ukujoina nabo apolice nabo rail. But uma uyothola ungwana sesi then umnikeze instruction ukuthi kumele ahamba yo dropper ayo collect adlale wide. Uzoba nobani lapha kule center back ye opponent. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi lokho Mr. Nkewu into I technical team ePirates kumele kulungise. Enye into futhi manje aba switch on kulama game ababheka one game at a time. Because now people will focus good derby. Ukuthi nosiyodlala idabi nge26 and lento leya Mr. Nkewu monga thebheka lama 3 points ayafana. Orlando Pirates must focus one game. Now they're going to play Amazulu. Kumele badile ngaAmazulu. Then after collecting the 3 points eAmazulu, then you move kwenye game elandelayo. But uma ngathi uzobona ngathi 3 points eKaizer Chiefs ibalekile kunale Amazulu, you will end up drop ama point kuAmazulu because ubheke ukuthi ngiyodlala idabi. Kunabalandeli beOrlando Pirates manje it sold out idabi. Abakalithengi igame idarling itikiti leAmazulu to go and support Orlando Pirates. Asithenga lama tikiti eAmazulu siye lapha eOrlando so support Orlando Pirates before you attend igame eAmazulu, because Orlando Pirates now they need player number 12 ukudlula ngalesikhathi beyenza kahle ngakhona. Mr. Nkewu team la isafara khona kakhulu ila idinga khona abalandeli. Orlando Pirates iceda drop ama point. They need more support to come and support amajita eOrlando Mr. Nkewu.
At what point do you think you're going to start believing on the side, okay, Sundowns it's 10 matches in a row they're winning. So we can't dwell too much on Sundowns or Utiba drop because they have not done that. They keep on winning. With Pirates, Bobzit, at what point are you going to believe Uti? Child. Mhlambi, if they draw against Amazulu again, are you still going to believe it's still on?
No, if bazo drop Amazulu Mr. Nkewu, ngiyacabanga kuzoba kuphelile because kusho kona ukuthi uhluleka ukulungisa lenkinga obuya nayo ku Richards Bay. angisho mangabe manje ubiya ku draw ku Richards Bay win igame amazulu kuyabonakala ukuthi okay ulungisa something oceda u rectify le mistake oceda ukuyenza KZN. So but if uzochubeka u drop ama point I don't think Sundowns ingawa dropa lama point uqala izwa dropa if wena uzo dropa lama point now iyoba ku number 1 ingadlalanga 2 game in hand uyabona ukuthi manje u dropa ama point azabe maningi but now unalethemba ukuthi uma ngawini game e1 manje ngiyoshiya Sundowns nge1 points surely Sundowns I drop ama point ngisane chance mina yokuthi ngawina iBetway so but uma ngadropa ku Amazulu Mr Nkewu angivamisile ukusho lokho ukuthi ngathi kuyoba kuphelile ngeOrlando Pirates but once ya drop ama point ngiyacabanga ukuthi nabo lithemba bayilahla because now amakhanda abheke phansi after le draw ye Richards Bay so kudinga bona manje ukuthi babuye baconvince ngayonke indlela ukuthi we want to win iBetway so mina lithembe nginalo ukuthi Pirates uma ingawini igame Amazulu uzozwa ama statement azochange ukuthi no abanye laba bacabanga ukuthi ileague ihambile bazosho but the league is still on because bayobheka the way ama point ayobahlezi ngakhona and they're going to rely kwamanye ama team now ukuthi uma badlala ne Downs badlale kanjani because nayo ine home and away yePolokwane ngeke kube lula Mr Nkewu we know ukuthi Sundowns I team ehlula iStellenbosch kuma league games but now ifootball angeke iprotect Mr Nkewu inama surprises amaningi kakhulu so and nayo Mamelodi Sundowns khumbula ukuthi if izo qualify for ifinali ye CAF Champions League akusibo bonke abadlali ucoach Cardoso azobaletha nje konke lama game ay all out because uyoba prepare ifinal ye CAF Champions League so ukhumbule ukuthi kuyoba khona nokudistepeka kulawo badlali because you need to tabza konke ama game the only player ozomdinga ngisasho namanje kubo bonke labadlali abakhona ku Sundowns you need to tabza konke lama game so uma uyomdinga utabza uthola ukuthi uyakhathala sekuyoba ne problem but he's a soldier Mr Nkewu ngiyacabanga ukuthi bazokumanage so yeah for Orlando Pirates Mr Nkewu ngicabanga ukuthi uma ngabe ifuna kubuya iletha amathemba ku league I win igame Amazulu Mr Nkewu.
Nice one. Thank you very much Bobzit. Thank you so much commitment. We were here until 12 midnight. After 12 midnight last night we here on Monday morning to keep this going for you of course as our audience. If you're still with us please make sure that you're subscribed. Do you agree or disagree? Orlando Pirates still in the title race. As an Orlando Pirates fan, have you lost hope? Pirates are putting themselves in a situation where they have to rely on other teams to beat Sundowns. If they drop points against Amazulu, it might well be curtains. For me, I think, I assume on the matches remaining, they will drop further points. And as a result of that, I think it is all over. But if it's revived again, I will be the first person to be excited about it because I want it to go all the way. We'll be back on Wednesday with Magesi Kaizer Chiefs. Thank you very much for watching our video.
Thank you.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.